Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have the Arby's chicken cheddar ranch sandwich. It says it's a limited time. We're gonna test this bad boy out, see how it does. Now, of course, we got the curly fries, and we also got the Dr. Peppers. Gotta have my Dr. Peps. All right, no cuts, no edits. You know how I do. This is a simple taste test. That's why they call it. Mike will try it, because I'll try anything. And I mean anything. So, next one. Comment down below. First person to comment down what they want me to try next, please let me know, and I will try it. Alright, looks like you got, is this American cheese? Or cheddar cheese, I'm sorry. Chicken cheddar, dead. Chicken strips, looks like there's ranch, lettuce. Alright, typical chicken sandwich. Let's try it out. I'll let you know. Well, not bad. Not bad at all. I'm not a big fan of like chicken sandwiches with chicken tenders instead of like an actual patty, but this will work. This is actually not bad. Ranch is on point. You can't tell if it's just your basic ranch or like buttermilk ranch. That's good though. Lettuce. I love like shredded lettuce. Does anybody else like that? I love it. It's good. I'll probably give this sandwich a solid 7.5. 7.5 out of 10. It's pretty good. Not bad. Not the best chicken sandwich I've had, but pretty good. You know, rocking the Bass Pro Shop again. Just a different color. You know me, I'm always matching. Even at work. The bun is actually nice and soft too. You know it's a good sandwich when that bun is just so, you know what I mean. Yeah. So Arby's sponsor me. Just kidding. No, but for real, when you make a trip out to Arby's, like I said, this is a limited time. Get you one of these sandwiches. It's worth it. It's pretty good. I was trying to get that Arby's Meat Mountain, but they claim they don't make that no more. So, womp, womp, womp. Oh well. Do you guys typically, when you eat out at a burger place or any kind of joint like that, you eat the fries first and then the sandwich, or the sandwich first and then the fries? I'm more of a fry type of person first, then the sandwich. But since we're doing a review, I wanted to try the sandwich first, give you guys my honest opinion. Like I said, 7.5 out of 10. Try it out, it's good. There you go. I'm not gonna show you. Oh, they ain't give me no straw. Man, that's right. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you me eating my fries, but like I said, sandwich is good. Recommend it. Try it out. Chicken cheddar sandwich from Arby's. Go get you one. Please comment down below if you like this video. Like I said, I do no cuts, no edits. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please comment down the next type of food you guys want me to try. If not, on to the next one. I'll try something else. See y'all later. Peace.